This is Eric Deglow with Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty, and I am here at 4406 Southwest 16th Place in Southwest Cape doing an open house at a beautiful new construction home located on a Gulf access canal. So we'll take a quick look, but I'm here from 12 to 2 today, so let's check this out. Now you can see a large, great room, fireplace, very open kitchen, and dining area. And we have back here a couple of bedrooms, and we have a bath there, bedroom, a bedroom with an ensuite as well. And then show you this beautiful kitchen, huge kitchen with a walk-in pantry hidden back here. You can see you can do a lot of prep work back here. All sits behind these doors. So it's all hidden, part of the cabinetry. We have a laundry room with a dog wash. And show you over here, this large lanai back here. And of course, beautiful pool. And show you back over to the den area. And then we have over here the large primary bedroom with its own access out here to lanai, pool, and outdoor kitchen. And then a magnificent bath in here. You can see that with vent over there. And another one over here, but sink. And then we have large closets, two of them there. All right, so we just want to give you a quick look. We have a wine display up here, its own little area. So again, this is Eric with Your Home Sold Guarantee Realty at 4406 Southwest 16th Place. Come check it out or get a hold of me at 239-351-5556. Thank you.